Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well, trying to stay at home as much as they can, trying to stay safe, keeping your hands and all that good stuff washed. You know, I've got another video going out, but for some reason, it's stuck in my editing app. I think it's trying to ruin my life. But anyways, I'm trying to get a video out. So if y'all are just patient, because I know I put that little sneak peek on my last video about what the next video is going to be about. Just hang tight, guys. I'll get it out. So guys, right now what I'm going to show you is the Ipsy May choice items. Now we got the choice items for Standard, Plus, and also Ultimate. And of course, most of you have already made your choice. So if you would comment below what it was that you chose this month. And for the people who like to be surprised or don't choose for some reason, I don't know. Well, these are the items that you might be receiving in your bags. So guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on any spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the May BoxyCharm Boxy Pop-Up. Thank you so much, Nicole Davis. Nicole says, hello, gorgeous. Oh, you're so sweet, Nicole. You're always so sweet, honey. It's good to see you in the comments, and I hope you are trying to stay safe. I hope everything is going well. I hope you're not getting too stir crazy, you know. At least we got YouTube to watch, am I right? But I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first, we're going to start off with the standard bag. Now here's what the bag looks like. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I love these faded bags. So here are the choice items for the standard May bag. The first thing is the Estate Cosmetics Do Me Baked Highlighter in the shade Bye. The next thing is the Yensa Skin on Skin Concealer. Now this one shows light neutral, but I think that depends on your skin tone. That's going to be what your option is, depending on your skin tone. So the next thing is the First Aid Beauty Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. The next thing is the Balm Auto Balm Day to Night Single Eyeshadow in the shade Lombard Street. Now the next one is another one from the Day to Night palette, and this is in the shade Wall Street. So the next thing that we see is the Tarte C Jelly Lip Mask in the shade Strawberry Jelly. And then we have the Tarte C H2O Lip Gloss, and then we got a couple different shades. So you could either choose the shade Below Deck or Sail Away or the shade Hang 10. Next up is the One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. And then we have the Gold Fountain MD Wake Up Call. This is the Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And then we have the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Eyeliner in the shade Black. And then last but certainly not least for that bag is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara in the shade Black. Now let's look at the Plus bag, and then we'll look at the choice items that they had for Plus. So the first thing is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Then we have the Colored Rain Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Mimosa Moment palette. Now these are little eyeshadow palettes, so this looks like some warm and cool nudes. The next thing is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara in the shade Black. And then we have the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Fortune. And then again, we have another one of these little palettes. It's the Colored Rain Vineyard Cerise. I don't know how to say that, y'all. Eyeshadow palette. Now this has some purples and greens in it. Next up is the Nomad and Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun Highlighter Palette. Next up is the Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. And then we have the Galactic Skin Glow Duo in the shade Moonlight, or you could pick the shade Sunset. Next up is the Sugar Rush A+ brush set. Now it looks like a 3-piece brush set. Last but certainly not least for the Plus is the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. Now next up, guys, let's go ahead and look at this Ultimate bag, and then I'll show you the choice items that they had for Ultimate. So the first thing is the Sunday Riley CEO C+E Micro Dissolve Cleansing Oil. Then we have the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Then we have the Derma Medicine Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer with an SPF of 25. And then we have the Saint Tropica Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. And then we have the Smashbox Cosmetics Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Ablaze. And then we have the Foxy Bay Wet Hairbrush. And then, of course, the Beautiful Factor Water Cleansing Gel Balm. And then last but certainly not least for the ultimate is the, I don't know how to say that, is it Arceli Beauty or something like that? The Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner Duo. Now this is a duo, one is nut and one is coffee. So again, a lot of people already have made their choice. So if you would let us know what you chose down in the comment section. And of course, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Jennifer Williams. Jennifer says, hey girl. Well, hey Jennifer, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to steal subscribers. But if you would double check that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift. So go on down there and take it. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.